Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So, today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper tank motor. Alright, so this is for the Toyota Alphard or Wellfire 20 series. So the problem that I'm having is that the rear water dispenser for the rear glass is working. The front one, it just gives a loud humming noise, but no water comes out. Alright, so I believe the pump is broken. So here's the replacement, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you either remove the front bumper, okay, or you remove this fender cover over here. So in my case, I removed the front bumper because I'm actually doing something else. You probably see the video that I'm replacing this, or probably I'll release the video later than this video. So either way, I'm replacing this bumper bracket. So I removed the front bumper, so that gives me access to this. So what I need to do is just disconnect this pipe, okay, and then one bolt here and one bolt here, and I will remove the whole thing over here. Of course, there's some electrical connector, two of it over here, which I will need to remove as well. Okay, alright, now that we have the tank out, so there was actually three bolts, one, two, and the third one over here. Alright, this one you can access from the wheel well on this side. Alright, so the tank is out. It's a bit wet and messy because I should have drained it first. Alright, I forgot to drain it and I just pulled it out and water was spilling everywhere. Okay, so which motor to replace? So you will be able to see over here, there's a R and a F. So F is for the front, R is for the rear. So mine is not working on the front, so I'll be replacing this motor. Okay, just pull it out. Okay, so to install it back, it's quite simple. So what you need to do is you need to remove the rubber seal over here. So just twist it out and you have it here. Put this one in. Just a minute. Okay, put this one back in. Okay, make sure that you have the correct side in, which is this side. This side should be on the inside, this side should be on the outside. So how you see the difference? Well, you can see which side is taper and which side isn't. Alright, the taper one goes in. Okay, nice and snug. And then you plug in the pump. Alright, this might take a bit of a force, so just make sure you put it evenly and just push it in. Alright. And there you go. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna fill this with water and see whether it leaks. Alright. Alright, leak test done. No leaking. Okay. So we have the new pump, which is I don't think it's an original pump. Alright, it's a WSP AVZY250121, whereas the original is a Denso. The original one is a Denso 8533060160. Alright. Oh, it's a Denso 0602102104501. Alright, but seems to fit exactly the same. Let's see how it goes. Okay, change of plans. Okay, so change of plans. I'll be installing in a new original Denso instead of the unknown one. Okay, because the unknown one was leaking. Okay, so we're done. Let's install it back. Alright, that's the end of the video, and that's how we changed the wiper motor on the Toyota Alphard. It should be about the same as other cars as well. Probably the motor size will be different, but it should be the same. Okay, let's talk a bit about the motor itself. Alright, so this was the original old motor. Alright, this was 40. It's just not pumping any water in anymore. Alright, whereas this new one, it pumps, but it was leaking, but it was not leaking on the rubber seal side. Alright, it was not leaking on the rubber seal, it was actually leaking from the motor itself. And yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's actually loose on the motor is actually loose, so water was actually seeping in from here and then coming out from here. So over time, I don't think this was good, because the motor will be exposed to water. So instead of putting back everything and then probably change this out in about a month's time because this breaks, I went out and bought a new motor, alright, which cost 4 times the price of this. Okay, so let's talk about the cost. This cost me about 20 ringgit, which is about $5 US, whereas the new one cost me 80 ringgit, which is about 15, about $20 US. Alright, but the new one, the original one, works perfectly fine. Just plug and play, no leak, and the pressure is slightly better than this. I'm not too sure how good was the original pressure, because well, it never worked ever since I got the car 6 months ago. Okay, so time it takes for this DIY, if you don't have to remove the bumper like I did and you just access the motor from the fender, it probably takes you half an hour to at most 1 hour. Alright, it's just a couple of clips underneath the fender, whereas removing the bumper was a bit more tedious. Okay, yeah, there's not much to talk already. Yeah, so as usual, if you like this, hit the like button. If you dislike it, you can always hit that, and don't forget to subscribe, because every subscription counts, and hit the bell button so you get notified on our next uploads. Alright, till then, next time.